All right, guys, we got our finished syrup going here, and we're gonna run it through our vacuum filter press, and then we're gonna bottle right away. So this stuff's pretty much done. I basically finished it outside on the turkey fryer. Couldn't finish it up the one evening, so put it in the fridge, brought it back in here, just heating it up, getting it to that 219 temperature, and I'm going to show you guys how this filter press works here. So I know everybody's been kind of wanting to check it out, and I know there's not very many good videos on it, so hopefully this will help you guys out a little bit and show you how we do it here at Gagne Farms. All right, we've hit that 219 degree threshold, and we're going to call it here on this batch. So I actually have another batch to go, so we're just going to get this one off the heat. Turn that off for a second, and then we're going to add a half a cup of diatomaceous earth. And I just kind of eyeball it. This is a 1 cup scoop. Couldn't find my half cupper, but so I just kind of eyeball that. Mix this in. Give it a good stir. And we use about a half a cup per gallon of finished syrup. So I am roughly estimating we have a gallon here. It's probably close. All right, so you want to make sure your valves are in the off position. Don't ask me how I know. So we're just going to go ahead and dump this in. Hopefully not spill it everywhere. I don't think this was the stool I used before. Alright, and then we just hook our vacuum hose. I just have a hose barb here. It just slips on. And then alright, that's that. Just, ooh, that's hot. Hopefully there's nothing in there. So your end of your smoking, isn't it? The end of your dry back here gets a little warm because it's sucking up all that hot air, but that's about it. We're gonna throw on some hot pads here, wherever they went. And we're gonna start bottling. So we just got a little small funnel here, and just draw it right off. Just like that. And if Candace could hand me a new bottle. When you bottle, you want to be between 180 and 200 degrees, so we don't even need to put this on the burner right now. It's holding right at 180. If you bottle this fast enough, it'll stay above 180 the whole time, and you don't have to have another heat source on it. All right, we're at 219 here on our second batch. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this off, and I'm gonna show you guys one more time how we're doing our filter press. It's gonna be the last time this season, so. All right, just let her cool down there for just a hot second, and just a little less than a cup in. Whoa. Oh, she likes to foam. So we started adding the DE full into the syrup here this year, and it seems to be really working out a lot better. Okay, Candace, you ready? I think I need that other hot pad. Turn this on. Well, there you have it, guys. We've got we got 13 bottles. So these are 12-ounce bottles. That's about a gallon and a quarter, almost. Well, no, that's a gallon and a quarter, I think. So a little bit less than I thought, but I'll take another gallon any day of the week. So we actually finished up 2.5 gallons today. So that was really good. That's our last run for this year, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And you guys got to see our filter press in action. We got to do some boiling, some tapping, some collecting. So you guys kind of got the whole spiel over here at Gagne Farms. All right, guys, we've got a couple videos up above here that also pertain to our maple syrup season. So feel free to check them out, and we'll catch you on the next one. Candace is out here sweeping, making a mess.